one of the most important factors, if not the most important factor of your home, is your furnace. So today we want to talk about, will a newer furnace increase the value of your home? John, will a new furnace increase the value of your home?
It will increase the desirability of your home. If you have two homes and buyers are looking at these two homes, one has an old furnace, one has a new furnace, they're going to gravitate towards the home with the new furnace. So it will enhance the desirability of your home, but will not always change the value of your home. Obviously, it does help on your utility bills, can cut those, and also can help with inspection time. Those inspectors do tend to pick on furnaces, and if you have a new furnace, you'll probably pass with a clean bill of health.
So in addition to that, it will give you peace of mind knowing that you're warm, especially in the state of Michigan, one of the most important features besides your roof.
Correct. And when it comes to furnaces, we always refer Dave Lamb Heating, and they do a phenomenal job and are professional in the industry.
Dave Lamb is our go-to guy located here in Fenton and makes sure that all of our customers get taken care of with top quality work.
And today we have with us Dave Lamb. Thank you for coming down, Dave.
You're very welcome, John.
We have several questions for you, my sister and I. When do you know you need a furnace?
Well, any furnace that's 15 years old or older should have a monoxide test run on it every single year.
Very good.
That's tests, the safety of the furnace. Generally, I would say at least after 18 years should probably be the time to
Very good.
get rid of it.
Makes sense. Jennifer?
Dave, a lot of customers ask me, what is the top of the line furnace?
Well, the top of the line furnace, I personally don't think there is a top of the line furnace. I think the furnace is only as good as the people who install it and stand behind it. It has to be installed properly, it has to be set up properly, and it has to be sized properly. So it really doesn't make any difference on the name on the furnace. It makes a difference in the name on the installation.
Excellent. Good answer.
And now you've installed today a new Amana furnace. And how did you know how big or small to make that, or how to calibrate that?
Well, years of experience we'll start out with.
Okay.
Generally, we take the size of the furnace that's in there.
Oh, okay. Work with
Okay, and if it's been in there for a long period of time, then we know the furnace is at least big enough, maybe oversized.
Okay.
And generally what we do is we'll go to the next size down, because we know that today's furnace is going to be a lot more efficient than what the one we took out is.
How do you decide what efficiency to purchase?
Well, that generally depends on the homeowner and the homeowner's wallet. The higher the efficiency, the more money it's going to cost. So you can go the standard 80%, or you can go all the way up to a 97% furnace.
And that price difference from a 80 to a 97 can vary?
It generally, yeah, depending on the installation, it can vary upwards of about, from the bottom of the line to the top of the line, probably about $2,200 to $2,400.
Okay, wow. In difference?
The difference in price, yes.
Wow,
Yeah.
okay.
But won't you see that savings on your utility bill over the course of the years? There'll be a payback?
Well, certainly, yeah. The higher the efficiency, the less fuel you consume, okay, and the less electricity you consume. So anytime you can keep your meters outside from running, you're saving money.
Very good. Now, you mentioned years of experience. How many years of experience do you have?
Well, I've been doing this for a little over 35 years. My company's been in business for 46 years.
Well, John, I would say that's some experience.
That is some experience.
What about thermostats?
Well, there's all kinds of different thermostats out there. There's still the basic ones.
Right. And aren't there those new ones called the Nest that you can operate from your phone?
You can operate it from a phone, you can operate it from a laptop. Nowadays you can even operate it from some of your cars. If your cars,
wow,
the new cars
interesting.
have the built-in Wi-Fi, you
Right.
can operate it from there.
I can't imagine operating my thermostat from my car, John. You do just about all your business from your car, so might not be a bad idea.
Technology is taking over.
Dave, is it necessary for the brand name of the thermostat to match the brand name of the furnace? Is that proprietary or not?
No. Very few furnace manufacturers manufacture thermostats. They'll put their name on somebody else's thermostat and make it in their color, but they don't necessarily make their own thermostats.
So does the size of a furnace influence how quickly your home heats?
Well, yes. Unfortunately, size does matter. If you have a furnace that is too large, Okay, what it does, it kicks on, runs for too short a cycle, and then kicks off, and then kicks back on again a few minutes later, and then kicks off. If you have a furnace that's sized properly, it'll run for long cycles. You want your furnace to run for long periods of time.
Okay, that makes
It's
sense.
more efficient the longer it runs.
That makes sense.
Dave, sometimes I'm showing a house and outside will be an air conditioner unit that's like giant. It looks like it almost should be for a hotel. Is that the same situation? Some people overbuy air conditioners?
Well, sometimes they do. I mean, that people do that a lot more than they do oversized furnaces.
Okay.
But today's air conditioners, this is a fairly new air conditioner. The new higher efficiency air conditioners are considerably larger than what the old ones were.
Well, we've determined that getting a new furnace when it's at the end of its useful life is extremely important. But John, is there anything else that someone can do to help keep their home warm above and beyond the furnace?
I think there's several factors that can be done. One of them is to make sure that your windows are securely closed and locked. Close your drapes. Blinds can help hold some of that heat in. Rugs can even hold the heat in. And of course, you can always snuggle up with one of your loved ones.
In addition to keeping your home warm, it will help your home sell quickly.
If you have any questions for John or Jennifer, you can contact them at one of their 2 locations in Fenton or Grand Blanc. Do some real living in your dream home. Call Tremaine Real Living Real Estate today. You deserve it.